Hello friends, today me and my group discuss about how to start agri-business. First of all, introduction. Agri-business is one of the most challenging business today. Agri-business has held up large share of business nice. The volume of agri-business is flourishing day by day. The term agri-business coined first 1957 by Goldberg and Davis. Agri-business is not more business rather than is useful tool for ensuring food security throughout the world and all sort of basic needs as most of basic requirements are filled up directly or indirectly with agro product. In near future, agri-business will be center metaphor for business system for not only in our country but also the world. What is agriculture? Art of the cultivating various categories of the crops including animal husbandry, forestry, fishery and other related activities. What is business? An economic unit aims to sell goods and service to customers at a prices that will provide an adequate return to its owner. Commercialization of any enterprise. What is agribusiness? Agribusiness is the sum of total all operations involving the manufacture and distribution, product activity of the farm and the storage, pro- process, processing and distribution of the farm commodities for them. Example, agri-chemical companies, variety supplies companies, livestock supply companies, biotechnology farm it is. Obj- Objective of agribusiness: develop a competitive and sustainable private sector-led agri-business sector, increase productivity and reduce yield gaps, commercialization of agriculture, advance high potential sectors, use of modern technologies, reducing cost of product, value addition, explore agriculture. Next,
Hello friend, my
next,
name is Mir. I will talk further from here. The agriculture, the agribusiness system, input sector. It provides producer with feed, seeds, credit, machinery, fuel, chemicals they need to operate. This sector provides almost 75% of their input used in products and agriculture. Improvements in the quality of purchase input have been a large source of efficiency gain for the entire system. The production sector. It aims at producing crops, livestock, and other products. The agriculture production sector has been the case of the much of the change in agribusiness. They, in turn, have been changed by development in other areas of agribusiness, particularly in technology, processing, manufacturing of the sector. Employs millions of employed millions of people employed by this business. The business in this sector acquires raw agriculture commodities from the producer and then process them into food products that are sold at item that place and in from that are desired by consumer. The importance features of agribusiness. Agribusiness is a multifaceted point of view, complex vertical structures, large, dependent and partly independent. Successful decision making at firm level is the basis of development in the future. Major areas of agribusiness: farm supplies, production, processing, marketing, research and extension, government policy and programming. Now the Sagar will take from here.
Scope of agribusiness. Growing demand for agriculture inputs, biotechnical application. Export can be harnessed as a source of economic growth. Scope for production of marine and inland fish and ornamental fish culture. Scope for production of meat, milk and milk product, poultry product, etc. Mushroom production for domestic consumption and export. organic farming, production and promotion of biopesticide and biocontrol agents, seeds, hybrid and genetically modified crops, micro irrigation system and labor saving for equipment, product of vegetable and flower, opportunity for employment in marketing credit, insurance and logistics support service, importance of agribusiness, single most important contributor to world economy. It represents approximately 1 by 4 of total world production, provides employment for nearly 1 by 2 the population of the planet, release workers.
N- Now I will further proceed. What so on the screen, the factors are given. First one is a clean objective. Second one is planning. Third one is sound organization, and rest of you can show on the screen. Next. Now, what is the scope of agriculture in Bangladesh? The Bangladesh has a positive agro climate zone, which is perfect for producing many kind of agro products with different high value agriculture products such as jam, jelly, seafood, fruit, and vegetables that have a huge demand locally and internationally. Agriculture may have a bigger future in Bangladesh, but if the country can avail opportunity and overcome the shortcomings. Next, Bangladesh agriculture is a beginning to take roots and it has a great potential both home and abroad. This sector can contribute to increase GDP, employment creation, improve food security, increase export, and reduce trade imbalance, poverty reduction, and also it improve the standard of living of people. It plays a major role in our national economy. It contributes 15.33% in GDP and 45.10% in labor force. Next. So the conclusion of this PPT is that agri business is going to dominate all over the world if the country have proper strategic management and proper supply chain management. So the country can do good agri business. Now it should increase national income, uh, employment opportunities. There is it also increase the purchasing power and ultimately decreasing the balance of trade deficit and causing the economic development and fulfill the basic needs of people of country. Thank you.
स्टॉप कर दे मेरे को